How to share full reel on Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can share full reels on Instagram stories on iPhone. So you simply want to make sure to watch the video till the end. To share full reels on Instagram story on iPhone, first of all open up Instagram. Select the reel that you actually want to add to your story. Right now over here you'll see the reel that you actually want to add to your story. Over here just tap on this little DMs icon, and then here you'll find this option that says add reel to your story. Right, so all you have to do is when you tap on the add reel to your story, it will get added, but it will not be added as a full story. So what are some of the things that you can actually do? Well, the thing that you can do in this case is just go ahead and then come back and then tap on discard. Now what you need to do is you actually need to download this reel. So just tap on the three dots, tap on link option to copy the link, and then open up your browser. You have to go to this URL, which is saveinsta.app. I'll make sure to drop a link below. So over here you simply want to paste the URL that we actually just copied over here. So just tap on paste button and then make sure to paste it. Now tap on download. Now after you actually paste the reel, it will load the Instagram reel that you were trying to download. So for this case I'll just go ahead and close it right now, and then here you can say download video. Right, so I'll just tap on the download video button. Now it'll ask me, are you sure you want to download it? So I'll just tap on the download option over here, and as a result it will actually start the download process, because if I go to downloads you can see it has actually been already downloaded to my gallery. Now what I will do is I can add this to my story by just tapping the share icon over here. You'll see all these sorts of options. You can just select Instagram, and then you'll be able to add to your post story or whatever else. In this case I'll just select story. So over here I'll just cancel it, and then I'll just select story over here, and then now you can see the full reel will be added to my story. Now I can just tap on the your story button over here in order to add this to my story. This is how you can add and share full reels on Instagram story on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.